In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map Jira workflow status with board column. This is an essential skill for effectively managing your tasks and ensuring your team is aligned on project progression. Let's get started by heading over to your Jira board. This is your central hub where all your projects and tasks are visible, so it's crucial to be familiar with navigating it. Once you're on your Jira board, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll find three vertical dots right next to your board's name. This icon holds many options for customizing and managing your board. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Board Settings. This will open up a range of settings specifically tailored to your board. In the board settings, you'll find several tabs, but today we're focusing on the Layout section. Under Layout, locate the Columns tab. Clicking on this will bring up an interface that displays how your workflow is currently structured in terms of columns. Now on this page you might notice a list labeled unmapped statuses. These are statuses that haven't been assigned to any column on your board yet. It's important to pay attention to this list because proper mapping ensures that your tasks move smoothly through the workflow, reducing confusion and optimizing efficiency. To map a status, all you need to do is simply drag and drop it from the unmapped statuses panel into the column where you want it to appear. This action gives you a visual representation of task flows within your project. Don't worry if you change your mind, it's as easy as dragging and dropping again. Let's say you've already mapped some statuses but you need to change them. To reassign a status to a different column, locate the status within its current column, then drag it over to the new column where you desire it to be. This flexibility is great for when your team adjusts its workflow or priorities shift. And lastly, if you need to unmap a status for any reason, perhaps because it's no longer relevant or you need to streamline your columns, you can do so easily. All you need to do is drag it from its current column back to the unmapped statuses panel. Remember, having a well-organized board not only helps you keep track of tasks, but also aids your team in understanding what needs attention and where focus should be applied. This flexibility in mapping statuses allows you to tailor the board to suit your team's unique workflow. And that's it, you now know how to effectively map Jira workflow statuses with your board's columns, ensuring clarity and smooth project management. We hope you found this tutorial useful and don't hesitate to rewatch or reach out if you have any more questions. Happy managing!